Ever wondered how to keep your pool warm all season? What we've got here is a private outdoor pool. About 59 cubic meters of water surface area. 35 square meters water temperature 20 degrees Celsius. That's about 68 Fahrenheit. Let's get started. We've got a pre-installation set up from the builder. But the builder didn't install a valve. Looks like I'll have to dive in. I need to seal all the return nozzles with plugs to hook up the heat pump. Cutting the pipes. Now we need to clean the pipes thoroughly and remove all the water. Make sure the pipes are clean and completely dry. We're using a special cleaner for this step. And using a special PVC pipe glue. Always add shut-off valves. They let you isolate the system during service, repair or replacement. Our goal: install a heat pump to keep the water at 25 degrees Celsius, about 77 Fahrenheit once it's running. The system will keep the pool warm and ready anytime you want to swim. For heating, we're running a KLINWASS Dolphin 18 kilowatts pool heat pump. You can just connect this heat pump to the pool, plug it in, add protection devices. Basically anyone with some hands-on skills can do it. Connected to the main. And don't forget the circuit breaker and a class of safety switch. That's essential. Now it's time to take out the plugs from the pool jets and make sure all my connections are leak-free. But that means I'll have to take a little swim. Let's open the valves and make sure there are no leaks. After running the heat pump for 2 days, 8 hours each day, the pool warmed up to 24 degrees Celsius. That's about 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks for watching.